Need real-time updates on buses and trains? Google Maps makes it easy to track public transportation so you never miss a ride. Let me show you how. First, open the Google Maps app. Now use the search bar to enter the location where you need transit information. You can type in a destination or simply select a nearby station. Once you've chosen a location, look for the bus icon on the screen. Tap it, and a new page will open, showing a list of public transport options available at that location. Here, you'll see arrival times for buses, trains, and other transit options in real time. The times are updated based on live traffic and service changes, so you get the most accurate information. To get more details, tap on a specific bus or train route. You'll see its complete schedule, stops, and route map from the starting point to the final destination. You've successfully accessed real-time transit updates on Google Maps, making it easier to plan your journey with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.